Hi, here I have a gun cleaning mat by Vibe Co. Now before I get to the mat itself, it comes with 3 different kinds of brushes. The first brush is very soft. It has a full brush on one side and then a slightly smaller brush for more detailed cleaning. And then here you also have 2 wire brushes as well. They are still very bendable and soft, so it will prevent any scrapage. The thicker brush is more bendable than the smaller brush on the end here, though still very bendable. This brush right here is also a lot stiffer too and is slightly sharp at the end here. It also comes with several cotton swabs here to wipe away any dirt, oil, or grime that is on your gun, as well as a rag that is soft and serged at the end here to prevent any fraying, as well as an entire bag full of cotton swabs that are sturdy, slightly bendable, and then again a soft cotton swab at the top. Now onto the mat itself. It is a rubber mat, bendable, has 2 hooks at the end here, and then it is also smooth and slick here at the bottom, and it does not slide around too much. It can slide around, but it does not go slipping and sliding. With several different compartments and grooves on the side here for easy organization and separation. All right, this was given to us as a sample. Okay, bye.